What's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? We're coming back with you with another unboxing. This is a detailed review of these. Bam! These bad boys. As you can see, this is the Jordan 9 powder blue in my size 10. It does come in, I guess this is the Jordan 9 box. To be honest with you, this is my first Jordan 9, so these will be my first Jordan 9s to the collection, so I'm very excited about that. And as you know, I do collect the UNC, so I had a pair of these. Let me know now in the comments, does this box seems like the same kind of box that the Jordan 11s come in? Again, this is my first time having the Jordan 9 in my collection. Let me know, is this the same paper and everything? This is a classic colorway that has been re-retro before. And bam, we got the shoe in this beautiful powder blue. Let me know your first thoughts about seeing these on screen, sneakerheads. So as soon as I saw these, I had to get these. You know, I was hoping that they would go for on the retail. As we know, a lot of these shoes right now, the powder blue 9s are sitting. So if you still want these, go on and cop them up before they the prices start going up over time, as usually Air Jordans do, supply and demand. I'm looking at my pair. This pair came from Champs. I did win it off a raffle. Just looking over it briefly before I get into the review. See a lot of glue stains on here, which I guess I'm not really happy about that, but overall, I guess it's okay. And then, like, I don't know if this right here, it seems like a little uneven, I guess, because you can see the stitching right there. But I do like this touch of this exposed leather where you can see that University blue. I do think that's a nice touch in my opinion. I'm not sure if the OG had that in the past or not. So we'll go over the shoe. The predominantly of the shoe is white. It does feature that powder blue right here in the midsole. It does have a black Jordan Jumpman. And fun fact, they say that this is the first time that the Jordan Jumpman this ball is facing toward the toe. As you've seen in my previous videos, you saw that one of the olives, the ball was going toward the heel. So a fun fact on that. Moving around to the bottom of the shoe, they were trying to take the Jordan brand international. That's why we see all this writing on the bottom. As you can see at the bottom of the shoe, we do have that 23 right here with the Jordan Jumpman in powder blue. Moving on to the front of the shoe, do have some Chinese writing right here. I don't really know what that means. If you do know, comment down below. On this other panel right here, we do have 1994, but ironically, supposedly these shoes came out in 1993, so I'm not really sure why they put 1994 on these. If you do know, let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads. Then the next pod right here, we have it's supposed to be the world, and this same symbol is on the back, as we'll test to a little bit later. And right here we have some words from all around the world. The words right here. Let us know if you know what those mean as well. I do think the overall design is pretty unique. You can see the lateral side of this midsole coming to the side, and as well as the same on the other side. It's a white, nothing on this side. On this other side right here, we do have that Jordan Jumpman. Moving on to the toe box. One thing I did notice on here, that both of these shoes do have the widow's peak at the front. There you go. You can see that widow's peak right there. It is on both shoes, so this may be a sign whether you can tell a real from the fake. This is decent leather. It's not really, it's real smooth leather. I wouldn't say it's plushed or tumbled. Like I said, I never wore a pair of 9s before. I do know a little bit about these. Looking at the front of the shoe, we do have the standard black tongue. It does have that Air Jordan tab in that powder blue. Nothing on the back. It just has the toe tag. And as you notice that the inside of the shoe, which is kind of different in my opinion. Let me know if you know about that. But on the inside of the sole, they do say Nike Air, so that's kind of different. Let me go ahead and remove this thing. So on the insole, we do have, you can see it says Nike Air on it. That's kind of weird. I don't know why they would put that on here because there's no other Nike Air branding. As you look at the back, there's no other Nike Air branding, but I do know that. So to have this insole is kind of strange to me. This is it seems nicer. It is a Dream Cell insole, so that may be how you can tell the real from the fake as well. Checking out the insole, this Dream Cell does seem a lot better than normal. So I'm hoping once I get these on feet, they may feel better. I don't know. One thing I do notice too that it does have this little sock and this little pull tab at the back. Let's say the sock and the booty is similar to like the Jordan 7s. But again, I don't have any Jordan 7s in my collection, so let me know. I do like the way they have that powder blue protruding out through the sock liner. I do think that's a nice touch. One of the major differences between this shoe and one of the retros is, as you know, it doesn't have that 23 on the back. According to the first OG that came out, the first OG didn't have the 23 on the back. It does look a little strange not seeing that on the back, but I'm not really mad about that. Again, we have this symbol up here with the globe, with the Jordan Jumpman. I do think that's a nice hit. Overall, I do think this is a nice, clean shoe, and this will be a nice shoe to rock for the summertime. So let me know down in the comments, were you able to cop you a pair, or are you rocking these or dropping these?
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.